Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Halal Times YouTube channel. Today we are excited to bring to you a very important topic which unfortunately not many Muslims seem to have touched upon, and it's a revolutionary topic which we're going to discuss. So I hope you will get a lot of benefit by listening to the past podcast today. So let's get started. Today's topic which we're going to discuss about is how can Muslims benefit from using ChatGPT. My understanding, a large number of Muslims have heard about ChatGPT, which was introduced by OpenAI on November the 30th, 2022, just a month ago, I guess. However, not many of them seem to be using this revolutionary artificial intelligence tool to their advantage. It's a turning point for AI, and we need to take advantage of these tools without causing harm to others or to ourselves. It's only been a few weeks since OpenAI released ChatGPT, the latest large language model to set the internet ablaze with surprising eloquence and coherence. The question is how to use ChatGPT and still be a good Muslim. Of course, as far as this particular episode is concerned, we're not going to tell you how to sign up for this service and how to start using it. For the time being, it's a free service. In the future, they may start charging. I don't know anything about their plans as far as fees for this service are concerned. But for the time being, it's completely free. Any of you go to their website. We've given the link below in the description, and of course you could sign up for this and you could start using it immediately without any problem. And to my understanding, this is available everywhere in the world, but it's a beta version, and once the beta version is finished, they may start charging it. So if you don't want to pay any money, you must go to their website now and start using it, start playing with it, and start tossing new ideas and seeing how you can benefit from them. But of course, there are a lot of benefits which people have listed as far as this particular use AI tool is concerned. But we will stick to those benefits which Muslims can use to their advantage by using this chat technology. As a language model developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT has the ability to generate human-like text in response to prompts given by users. This makes it a powerful tool that can be used by Muslims in a number of ways. In this article, we will explore some of the ways in which ChatGPT can be beneficial for Muslims. But of course, they could do a lot more by using this tool, not just the ones which we have listed in this article, but there are a lot of other benefits which you could get by using this revolutionary technology. So are you ready to listen to the benefits? Are you ready to jump into the bandwagon and actually be a part of this revolutionary phase of the internet? So let's get started. The first benefit which we're going to get by using this ChatGPT technology is that you could learn about Islam. ChatGPT can be used to generate explanations and summaries of Islamic teachings, which can be helpful for Muslims who want to learn more about their faith. For example, you could use ChatGPT to generate an overview of the 5 pillars of Islam, or to provide a summary of the meanings and significance of different Islamic terms and concepts. The second benefit which we would like to list up here is researching Islamic topics. Of course, ChatGPT can be used to generate list of sources and references on specific Islamic topics, which can be helpful for Muslims who want to do further research on a particular subject. For example, if you are interested in learning more about the history of Islam, you could use ChatGPT to generate a list of sources and references on this very topic. The third benefit which Muslims can get, ChatGPT can be used to generate Islamic content such as articles, poems, or stories about Islam or about any aspects of the Islamic history or about any Islamic personality or about anything. This can be used for Muslims who want to create content for their own websites or social media account. For example, if you're interested in creating an Islamic blog or website, you could use ChatGPT to generate content ideas to help you write articles on specific Islamic topics. Another advantage which you could get by using ChatGPT is that you could practice your language skills. For example, there are millions of Muslims who don't know English much, which is the language of the world today. If they want to enter into business, if they want to enter into technology, they got to learn English. And if they want to learn more about the Quran, more about Islam, then of course they should be able to learn Arabic language as well. So both these languages are important for all of us without any other thought. So what you could do is that basically this can be used for Muslims who are learning a new language or who want to improve their language skills. For example, if you're learning Arabic, you could use ChatGPT to practice your reading and writing skills by generating responses in Arabic language. Another very crucial benefit which we have seen people getting by using this technology is that they could start improving their writing skills. ChatGPT can be used to help Muslims improve their writing skills by generating responses to prompts that can be used as writing prompts or as inspiration for writing exercises. For example, you could use ChatGPT to generate a list of writing prompts on Islamic themes or to help you transform ideas for an Islamic essay or story. And of course, you could use those writing prompts to further accelerate learning any language you want to. The next advantage which we hope that could be beneficial for you is that you could translate Islamic texts. ChatGPT can be used to generate translations of Islamic texts from one language to another. This can be helpful for Muslims who want to study Islamic texts in a language they are not fluent in. For example, if you're interested in studying the Quran but you're not fluent in Arabic, you could use ChatGPT to generate translations of specific verses or passages of the Quran. And another advantage, it can be used to generate du'as in different languages, which can be helpful for Muslims who want to learn new applications or who want to practice their language skills while making supplications to Allah. And another thing which we would like to mention is that basically this tool could be used to generate Islamic artwork. You could generate descriptions or titles for Islamic artwork, which can be helpful for Muslims who are creating their own Islamic artwork or who want to learn more about the Islamic art. Children, to my understanding, have always been neglected by our scholars. So now it's time to change. You could start generating Islamic themed content for children. ChatGPT can be used to generate stories, poems, or other content for children that are based on Islamic themes. This can be helpful for parents or educators who want to provide Islamic themed content for children to learn about their faith. The last but not the least, of course, there are so many other advantages which you get by using ChatGPT, but the one which we have listed up here, this is that you could generate Islamic reminders and inspiration. ChatGPT can be used to generate reminders and inspiration based on Islamic teachings and principles, which can be helpful for Muslims who want to stay motivated and inspired in their faith. For example, you could use ChatGPT to generate daily reminders of important Islamic teachings or to provide inspiration for living a more Islamic lifestyle. Overall, ladies and gentlemen, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be used by Muslims in a variety of ways. Whether you're looking for to learn more about your faith, research Islamic topics, or generate content on Islamic themes, ChatGPT can be a valuable and very informative resource. So if you're a Muslim looking to enhance your knowledge and understanding of Islam, or if you want to use technology to aid in your spiritual growth, consider giving ChatGPT a try. and I'm sure you'll not be disappointed. And let me tell you one more thing at the end of this episode. Most of the content which we spoke today was produced by using ChatGPT. So, are you excited? So, let's get started. Okay, thank you so much. And it was really wonderful discussion. Most of the ideas which we got on this episode, basically, we got these from using ChatGPT. So, I hope, if not all, but a lot of you will start using ChatGPT very soon. Thank you so much. And I look forward to seeing you on the internet very soon. So if you got any question, please feel free to contact us and leave comment in the comment box, and inshallah we will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and salam alaikum.